Did you know that the water you drink today is millions of years old? That's right. Every sip might be dinosaur spit at some point. Or awesome. You decide. Here's another crazy one.
How cool is that? That was all done by AI. I got this comment from JY Studios asking me if I could show how to create Meet Arnold-42 types of videos with AI. Well, yes, I can. Let's go. First of all, let's check out that channel. Meet Arnold-42. It's a channel with over 166,000 subscribers and over 43 million views. They make these interesting fact animations with a cartoon style and a main character like you can see in the background. Let's take a screenshot of this character. We will use it later. Now let's get started, shall we? First of all, we are going to ChatGPT and ask the following. I want to create a YouTube channel that is about interesting facts. I want to illustrate it with cartoons and with a main cartoon figure. In order to create the video, I will use an AI video generator. Please create the first video for me in a way that you provide me the narration script, no longer than 1 minute to read out loud, and give me all the AI video prompts needed to illustrate the entire story. Make sure that you rewrite the character's name and appearance each prompt because my AI video generator isn't that smart. I will now give you an image so you know which cartoon style I want. Good luck. And add the screenshot. Okay, amazing. Now copy the text and then we are going to 11 Labs. 11 Labs is a free-to-use AI text-to-speech generator. It is truly amazing. First of all, go to the voice library and search for a voice. Since I have many voices, I'm going to use a voice from my own collection. I think this one will work. Now go to the speech synthesis section and paste in the entire script from ChatGPT. And if you see any errors, be sure to correct them or change them. When you're done, press to generate button.
Hey there, fact lovers! Meet Max Brainstorm, the guy with the biggest curiosity and the funniest expressions.
Okay, not bad, but I do not quite like this voice. I'm going to try another one and generate that as well. I will get it from the voice library.
Hey there, fact lovers. Meet Max Brainstorm, the guy with the biggest curiosity and the funniest expressions.
Okay, that doesn't sound bad. Let's download it. Now we are going to generate the video footage with AI. Go to the amazing Hailuo AI. Go to Create, and now to the text to video. Now add the prompts from ChatGPT and let it generate. The generation will take around 2 minutes. I will generate all the 5 prompts. Here are all the 5 results. Okay, this won't work as well as I expected. We will take another approach and take the character out of the equation. Just follow me. We go back to ChatGPT and write, okay, I want to do it a bit different. First, I need you to give me an image prompt in text form for the main character Max Brainstorm and make sure there is a green background. Now we take that prompt and generate it in any AI image generator. We will use Leonardo AI. It is free to use and you get daily 150 credits. Paste the prompt and make sure your aspect ratio is 16:9, so widescreen. Now generate it and this will take around 30 seconds. Here it is. Okay, I do not quite like that. We need to refine the prompt. So get back to ChatGPT and write, no, it should look cute and not ugly. Make sure his full body is visible and his mouth is closed. You will see later why the mouth closed, full body and green screen is important. Now generate it again. Much better. Download the one you like most. Now we will go back to ChatGPT and get the new video prompts like this. Now give me all the prompts to illustrate the entire video. And please do not include the main character, because I will add him in another way. And do not limit yourself to only 5 or 7 prompts. Perfect. Now copy and paste the prompts in Hilo AI and let it generate. You can do like 5 generations at a time. While those are generating, we will work some more on our character. We will go to Canva. You can use any photo editing software, but I like Canva. Now upload the character image and open it like this. Now press BG Remover to get rid of the green background. Now we are going to remove its mouth. Go to the Draw tools, pick the color of the skin and draw on the mouth like this. Nice. Now save the image and make sure you have the transparency mode selected. Now next we are going to use the brush tool again, but this time to make it look like he closes his eyes. And maybe even draw a black line like this. Now save it again. Now search on Google for the Adobe Free Character Animator and you will find this website. We have done this process also in other videos, that is why I have this mouth and green background standard here. But yeah, simply choose a mouth from the character list and make sure to select a green color as the background. Now press Browse and add your audio from 11 Labs and let it generate. This is very fast and only took about 1 minute. Let's download it. Now add it to CapCut. Also add the character images with the eyes open and closed in there. Click on the mouth video and remove the green background like this. Place the mouth on the character. Now you need to add the blinking images everywhere like this. This will make the character alive. Now select everything, do a right click and create a compound clip. Now everything is together and we can move it anywhere we want. Let's take a look at our Hailuo AI generations. Just amazing. Let's download them and also generate the rest. Now add all the remaining footage to CapCut and start editing, meaning place all the footage in the right order and make it look nice. Let's make the character large like this, and now go to the effects. Look for the nightclub effects. And the play pendulum is very great. You might need to tweak some settings on the right, but after that your character will look alive and moving. Next, we will make cuts in the character image and move him differently and size it differently to make the video more interesting. Now we are going to add some captions. Choose a nice template. Add some nice transistors like this. I will add some black noise retro effect like this, but that isn't mandatory. Now let's add some filters. Next up, we are going to add some background music. Simply find it in the YouTube audio library by searching for children's music. Add it to CapCut and adjust the volume. Next up, you could consider adding fitting sound effects from YouTube. Like this. When you are done, export it in 4K. Before I am going to show you the end result, let me do the outro. And that's it. Now it's up to you. Create your own fact animation videos and go viral. Have a lot of fun. And don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you'll never, ever, 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 never miss another Mr. Lemon video. And guys, be sure to become a member and get access to all the membership perks. See you in the next video. Bye. Here is the end result.
Hey there, fact lovers. Meet Max Brainstorm, the guy with the biggest curiosity and the funniest expressions. Today we're diving into some mind-blowing facts that will make you go, wow, let's go. Did you know that the water you drink today is millions of years old? That's right, Every sip might have been dinosaur spit at some point. Or awesome. You decide. Here's another crazy one. There's a planet made entirely of diamonds. It's called 55 Cancri, and if you could visit, you'd be the richest person in the universe. Ever seen an octopus escape like a ninja? These clever creatures can squeeze through holes as tiny as a coin. Imagine if humans could do that. Traffic would never be a problem. So which fact blew your mind the most? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more awesome facts every week. See you next time.